Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow me to introducing myself. My name is Eny Sulistyowati from the Department of Biology Education. I'm here to fulfill the course assignment taught Miss Rivka, and I will explain about the influenza virus. Classification virus. Viruses are microscopic parasites that infect the cell of organisms. Biological viruses can only reproduce in living material by invading infantage of living cells because viruses do not have equipment able to reproduce itself. Methods of virus strain. 10 virus was classified as a result of this work as influenza virus or A or 10 or South Africa 1961. Influenza virus was obtained from Dr. G. A. Wilson. Other viruses were influenza virus A or Capton R. 51 or 1959. Virus influenza B or D, virus influenza C, and then Newcastle disease virus strain Komarov. The virus was classified as a result of the influenza virus. I'm sorry. Um, yes. Virus provocation. One, the virus strain were propagated by including 10 to 10 infective dust 50 electronically or amniotically in the case of influenza C. Into several embryonic hens, eggs, and subsequently roasting and pulling the infected fluids which contain between 5 per milli. Some strains will also propagate in chick embryo cell monolar culture. Reference stocks were replaced and work stocks were stored in ampoules at -20°C. And 2. Embryonic hen eggs. Leghorn Australorps cross egg from a commercial source were also incubated at 36 until 37°C after inculation. 3. Entered with mice. The highly improved laboratory strain of white mice was used. And last one, these cultures, monkey kidney cells. Standard methods were used to prepare secondary raw tube cultures of perfect monkey kidney epithelial cells. The core medium consists of a solution containing lactalbumin, hydroxide, filtered cough serum, phenolate, sodium bicarbonate, and antibiotics. The maintenance medium contains sodium bicarbonate and fall serum in place of cough serum. Strain KB malignant human epithelial cell line. Key-based cell root tube cultures were prepared according to standard methods. The IMK cell media were set then the content of cough serum was 7% in the core medium and 7% of fall serum was used in the maintenance medium. Kick embryo or CA cells, monolayers of CA cells were cultured in petri dishes by the method of butterfly based on the technique of Tulpeco 1852. All 12 cultures were prepared by seeding with approximately 10 cells per milli of growth medium. May was also a set of maintenance medium. Active cultures were incubated at 36 until 37 degrees Celsius. Crisation and staining of cells grown on cover slips. Cell seeds grown on flying cover slip in roller tube were fixed in solid alcohol or in a bonds fluid and stirred with hematoxylin and housing flowing standard products. Mm, and Shepherd's virus studies was carried out on three avoided common termites during the episodic on 13 shepherds collected in 1961 after the episodic has ended. Of which three were common terns, three Arctic terns or Stena macrura, four swift terns or Stena perchi, two Cape cormorants or Calacorax capensis, and one a headlop skull or Larus headlopi, and one of other three common terns recovered in 1963. Autopsy. Live blood, while sawn in net and blood was obtained from the open heart of the birds. Using aseptic techniques, the liver, limbs, heart, lungs, kidneys, and brain were removed. Its organ save the brain was in the 320 milli. Hertz or stereo saline. A sample was removed for further studies, and the remainder fixed in 10% for saline for histological examination. Preparation of tissue emulsion. Serum was prepared and stored at -20 degrees Celsius. The blood clots and tissue sample were emulsified in HMK cell maintenance medium without serum. The emulsions were frozen and thawed twice, clarified by centrifugation and stored at -20 degrees Celsius or in a dry ice cabinet. And virus titration, cell temporal dilation of suspense were cooled electronically in 0 until 1 milli amounts into X for or 6 per dilution, which were examined after 48 until 72 hours of the embryo and a positive HA test on the embryonic fluids. Alternatively, CA cell cultures were compared and examined for cytopathic effect daily for 7 until 7 days. The effective dose 18.7 uh, 50% endpoint was calculated according to the method of and Munch 1938 neutralization test. The standard test of sterilizing a contact dose of virus was carried on in CA cell roller tops. The titer of a serum was expressed as the reciprocal of the Higgs dilution which neutralized the virus in at least uh, 50% of the incorrect cultures. complement fixation. She with that, both the small volume method in tubes and the micro method on standard package A plates were used following a process similar to the described in the WHO Technical Report Series 100 1989. Overnight incubation at 5 °C was employed. The theory was that of Mayer, Osler, Bayer, and Hilbert. 1946. Complement was possible by the method of research and two were in the test. And last one, virus turns species certified B condition autopsy C storage before titration. Mm, that's a percentage of me more or less. And sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.